4 in a row against Mahomes.
They beat Mahomes healthy. They beat Mahomes with Tyreek.
As a child, you would wait and watch from far away.
We have the variable. Here's, though, why I like Cincinnati. Over the last 20 games in the NFL, there's an argument to be made. Cincinnati's the best second-half defense in the league, even better than San Francisco. They make adjustments like nobody else. The other, they have trailed Kansas City in their last 3 beatings of the Chiefs, but have dominated late fourth or overtime. I believe Cincinnati's become something